Good evening, this is Jan. It's time for another request video. This is from J J Flogs. I will translate this for you. I really hope that you're gonna try the Swedish meatballs from Ping and Ready sometime. Because there's a little voice in my head that likes this menu very much. And here it is. Well, this looks very promising. Swedish style meatballs with mashed potato, green peas and blueberry sauce. And this is what it looks like out of the package. This needs to be 8 minutes in the microwave. Well, this sure looks delicious. I'm gonna start with the meatballs. And the sauce, which is like a thick brown sauce based on beef stock with some spices. Okay, nice, a little bit sweet. Some of that blueberry sauce. Nice, also with those green peas. A little bit of mashed potato with the sauce and the peas. Well, this tastes alright. Then brand Iglo. They make nice ready meals. The texture is okay. These balls are made from a combination of pork and beef. That's what I write on the package. So it's basically the same as the ideal meat for bolognese. The mashed potato is a little dry, I must say, so that definitely needs some sauce with it. And that's okay. Also, these green peas give quite some flavor to the mashed potato if you combine them. I really like the sauce, like the combination of some savory, some sweetness. They did a good job, especially with the sauce, I think. Also with the blueberry sauce. Another meatball with lots of sauce in it. Looks nice, tastes good. So, thank you for watching this video. I see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.